Welcome to Spot Laundromats. We appreciate your business. We are a card-operated laundromat, so no need to worry about quarters. If you visit during attended hours, we can exchange those for you.
Here at Spot Laundromats, there's no fee for our laundry card, just the amount that you wish to put on.
Okay, so this is what your laundry card will look like after you've added your balance. There is no fee to purchase the card, it's only the amount that you decide to put on with your cash, debit, or credit. To start with the card, you'll press for English.
Welcome to Laundry Card. Please select an option from the screen. You may get a new card, add value to your card, or check the balance on your card.
Today we're going to touch here to get a new card.
Insert money into the green slot on the right side of the screen. If you wish to use a credit card, touch the credit card option on the screen.
So if you decided to use your credit card, you would touch this option on the screen, and then your credit card would swipe right down through here. Today we're going to use cash. You will see that the balance is $1. We'll touch when finished.
Please take your card from the red slot located.
And here's your
We're
card.
using Laundry
To
Card.
check the balance, add a balance, check card activity, or register your card, insert the arrow in first into the card reader. Here is where we can go over your account overview, your account balance, and registering your card, or any other options such as our March to Win bonus points. Please keep in mind that you want to register your laundry card. That way, in case you were to ever lose it, we can always transfer the balance to another card for you. Also, please do not throw your laundry card away, as we can always erase it and use it for another customer, keeping the fee down where the laundry card is free for you to use.